Let's have another example of material yield variance. The standard cost of a certain chemical mixture is 35% material A at rupees 25 rupees per kg and 65% material B at rupees 35 per kg. A standard loss of 5% is expected in production. During a period, there is used 125 kg of material A at 25 rupees per kg and 275 kg of material B at 34 rupees per kg. The actual output was 365 kg. Calculate material yield variance. In this problem, we have to calculate the standard quantity and standard cost of material. First, calculation of standard quantity and standard cost of material. Because there is percentage, 35% and 65% are given. Material A equal to 400. This is the 400 units. 400 into 35 divided by 100 equal to 140 kgs at the rate of 25 per kg. 25 rupees per kg. Total amount 3500. And then material B is equal to 400 into 65%. 65 divided by 100 equal to 260 kg at the rate of 35 rupees per kg equal to 9360. Then total 400 kgs are units. This total equal to 12,860. It is the standard cost. Less loss at the rate of 5%. Loss at the rate of 5%. 400 into 5 divided by 100 equal to 20. 380 kgs. There is no amount. 12,860. This 380 units is net output. And then we have to calculate the actual quantity. Calculation of actual quantity and actual cost of material. Material A is equal to 125 kgs. 125 kgs into per kg 27 rupees. 27 rupees equal to 3,375 rupees. And then material B is equal to 275 kgs and rupees. 275 into 34 rupees equal to 9,340. Total. It is also 400 units. 12,725. 5, 7, 10, 11. 7, 9, 3, 12. This is actual cost. Less the actual output was 365 units. Actual output. This is the actual output. Actual yield means actual yield 365 units. 12,715. 400 minus 365. 5, 3, 35. Therefore, material yield variance equal to standard rate into actual yield minus standard yield. Standard rate is equal to standard cost of standard mix divided by net standard output. Standard rate is equal to standard cost of standard mix. Standard cost of standard mix is equal to 12,860 and net output is equal to 380 kgs. 12,860 divided by 380 equal to 33.84. Material yield variance is equal to standard rate. Standard rate is equal to 33 rupees 84 paisa. Actual yield is equal to 365 rupees and standard yield is equal to 380 rupees. 365 minus 380. 33.84 into minus 15 equal to minus 507.6. It is unfavorable.